Hi, welcome to the product demo of oak9. To get started, we'll first create a new project. We will name the project and select a deployment model. You can add a short description if you like. Next, oak9 uses compliance frameworks, data sensitivity, business impact, and end-user information to set up the risk profile for your project. You can connect with your IaC or your cloud service provider. To get started with CLI, you can use our example Terraform file, TerraOak. We will connect to AWS by creating an IAM role and pasting in the client access key below and clicking Save. Once connected, oak9 will search for the resources based on location, resource types, and tag filters for the resources to validate. Here, you can see all of your resources loading. Once loaded, you can add resources to your project to validate. When your resources are uploaded, you can run a validation. After the validation has run, oak9 categorizes your design gaps from critical to low. You can expand on each of these gaps to read more about the issue, recommendations, and documentation. Let's say you aren't ready to tackle a specific design gap just yet, or you'd like to investigate further. You can simply select those options here at the snooze button. If you want to change the resources you've already uploaded, you can easily add or remove resources at any time by clicking Manage Resources here. The great thing about oak9 is that you don't have to manually click Run Validation every time. You can set it to auto-run in intervals that suit your needs. Another great thing about oak9 is the ability to create and manage multiple environments for your project. When you create a project, oak9 will automatically create a default environment for you. You can directly add integrations to this environment by clicking Add Integration. Today, we will create a test and dev environment in addition to our default one. You can add new environments by clicking the plus sign here. Now that our environments are created, let's add a notification integration. Today, we will add Jira. By integrating with Jira, tickets can be automatically generated and assigned. You can choose to only generate tickets for certain severity gaps, such as critical, high, and moderate. Back on the Manage Environment screen, you can move integrations easily between environments by dragging and dropping. Now let's check out how to connect a GitHub repository next. Once you configure and install oak9 with GitHub, you can decide on which repositories you want oak9 to access. oak9 will now display those repos to you. Select the one you want to create a project with. You can either create a new project or select an existing project to integrate with. Review your code settings by specifying the branch and path where you want oak9 to create pull requests. Customize how and when you would like oak9 to create pull requests for you. Select Save and you will be navigated to Visual Designer. You can see all notifications for your projects by clicking the bell icon in the left side navigation. The last thing we'll go over today is our dashboard. The dashboard view gives you quick insight to all critical information about your project. You can check design gaps, trends over time, resources, and compliance frameworks in one view. You can also easily switch to another project directly from the dashboard. And that wraps up our demo for today. Thank you for joining us. To learn more about oak9, or if you're wondering how many design gaps you have, sign up for free today at oak9.io.